So hey guys, so today I'm going to show you a new product that I just picked up. It's very useful, especially to be used in the trunk here. So as you know, for the trunk I got the all season cargo tray, which is great. But if you want to contain stuff in here instead of just having it fly around, I mean, it's pretty grippy, but things still will move around if you just need to get a couple items. So I always like to have a little some cargo accessories. So to make, like, say you move, you're picking up some milk or bottles, instead of picking them all over the trunk, some easier to contain them. So let me go ahead and show you what I just got. So check this out. It's a nice cargo box from Lasfit. If you know, they make great products. I love their all season mats. Well, this is a nice cargo tray box that is customizable as well. If you see on the bottom here, has rubberized feet too. It's a great design, so it does not slide on this. A lot of the cheaper boxes move around because they're just smooth on the bottom. This has little feet, so you can put it wherever you want. See there, you still have plenty of room. And you can make this smaller too, like half that size if you want. It folds up depending on what your needs are. I like this because I leave it in my trunk all the time. Has nice handles here. If you want to, you could secure it down, put some hooks right here. I'll be doing another video showing you put some D-rings right here so you can have an anchor point. And you can just anchor it down if you want. But this has not slid around for me, and I leave it in here all the time. It's great to contain stuff. And I'll show you here how you can collapse it. So you see here, this side folds in, and now you have just a little square box. If you don't need to hold a lot of stuff, I like the versatility that it gives you. And it's a nice nylon material, so if something spills on it, it'll just wipe right up. It won't soak into the material, won't get any funky smells on it, nothing like that. Very useful. Like I said, especially say you go play basketball, you throw a basketball in there, some tennis balls, whatever you need. Like I said, you can easily mount it, secure it to the points on the side. But really nice design here, I like it. And if you don't want to use it, it folds up to about 5 inches thick, so you can put it behind the seat, whatever you want. So it's a great item to have. Like I said, it works well for any vehicle. Check the link in the description for it, guys. If you know Lasfit, they make great products and they stand behind their product as well. So definitely check them out. If you guys haul stuff, I think it's a must. Just saves you a lot of time and keeps everything nice and organized too. So I appreciate it, everybody. Hope everyone's having a great day out there. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.